this video, you'll learn how to edit a Notion template effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the steps required to customize templates to suit your needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address _notion.so in the address bar. This will take you to the Notion homepage where you can sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the Notion interface. Click on the search icon or the bar itself to activate it. This allows you to search for templates available within Notion's extensive library. After that, type in keywords related to the type of template you wish to find. For instance, if you are looking for a project management template, you might enter project management into the search field. This will filter the results to show templates that match your criteria. Once you have your search results, browse through the available templates. Click on the one that interests you to view more details about it. This action will open a preview window where you can see the features of the templates. Following this, click on the Add button associated with the chosen template. This will initiate the process of adding the template to your Notion workspace, making it accessible for your personal use. Then select the option to add to private. This action ensures that the template is stored in your private workspace, allowing you to customize it without affecting other users' views. After adding the template, click on the See Template option to access the templates workspace. This allows you to view the layout and existing content, providing a foundation for your edits. Next, you may want to switch to a table view for better organization. Click on the table view option to display the template in a tabular format, which may help in managing data more efficiently. You can also explore the gallery view option. Click on this to see your template items represented visually, which can be helpful for creative projects or presentations. Now, proceed to personalize the template according to your preferences. This could involve changing text, adjusting layouts, or adding new elements that reflect your style or needs. To enhance interactivity, click on the toggle feature. This allows you to create collapsible sections within your template, making it easier to organize in. Next, select Add New View to create additional ways to display your content. This feature enables you to customize the way information is visualized, catering to different needs or preferences. Then click on the board option to switch the display to a Kanban style layout. This is particularly useful for tracking progress or organizing tasks visually within your template, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along, and see you next time.